So here we are in this beautiful Lexus RZ, an electric vehicle, and as you're gonna see here now, the infotainment system or the navigation system is not set up. You have to connect, you have to subscribe and do all those things. So you see, it requires that. So this is gonna solve that problem. This Reeiio mini AI box, I'm gonna do it. Let me set it up here. Here's my phone. You have the two types of wires, USB regular to USB-C, which we won't use in this car, and USB-C to USB-C. So this is the one needed for this vehicle. So this is the one that goes here directly into the box. Here's the user manual, but these are very simple to use. Product overview, product accessories, compatibility, and the way you use it. So connect a device. Actually, the box already showed up there, and so I didn't have to do anything really. The box immediately connected, but this was for Android Auto. So this one already has Auto CarPlay, Auto Box 57FO. But let me see if I can connect my phone here. Oh, there's Auto Box here, pair, allow. So I didn't have to connect it through the car, it connected through the box. So this is a bypass of that. So connect, and there you go. So before it was started with Android Auto, now it's switched to Apple CarPlay, and I can go anywhere here. So let's say we wanted to go Miami International Airport.
Starting route to Miami International Airport.
Wow. So
head east on Southwest 86th Street. Then take the first left onto Southwest 58th Avenue.
Well, there you go. It's set, and we can start driving. We didn't need the Lexus navigation system. Well, I went the other way, so it's gonna yell at me.
Turn right onto Southwest 59th Avenue.
So I'm not going to the airport right now, but that was just a demonstration of how easy it is to set it up. And now, when I'm done here, you can use all your different apps here. Google Maps, it even has the Lexus one because it's already hooked up through the car. Waze, WhatsApp, and all that. And the actual box allows you, as you saw before, access to other apps, even video platforms for streaming when you are not driving. So Reeiio mini AI box, wireless. So let me try something else here just for the demonstration. Let's add another device. Here's the Auto Box. So here are the other applications based on Android Auto. I have an iPhone, so it has to be connected through that, but you get the idea of how it is. Let's look for my podcast. These are my most recent episodes, the one in Detroit this week. So there you go, you have access to all your apps as you use them on the phone. You don't need to do anything else. So a really useful tool, this Reeiio mini AI box for cars that require a subscription or don't have any navigation system. So really good product.